This homey 4-bedroom 2-bath ranch located on a cul-de-sac features a large fenced-in backyard with privacy fence and deck. The eat-in kitchen has a pass-through bar that opens to the living room and has sliding doors that open to large deck. Master bedroom has walk-in closet and master bath. The 4th bedroom is located in the frog, which can also be used as a home office. The roof has been replaced in the last month and the inside and outside of the home has new paint. This home is conveniently located near shopping, restaurants, golf and the Veterans Bridge and interstate for easy commute anywhere in Hampton Roads. You'll want to move quick as this won't last.